back to another video. Today we are solving question 506, relative ranks within LeetCode. So let's go ahead and learn and code together. In this question, we are given an integer array, and we are tasked with ranking them from gold medal to bronze medal, and then after that, their respective places. We know that the highest score is gold, second highest is silver, bronze is the third place, and then their place after that is just going to be the number. So let's go ahead and get into the actual code. First, we're going to initialize a answer value, which is going to be equal to score, but we have to do it like this so that we don't edit, or when we edit score, it doesn't edit this answer value. So we'll say K for K in score. And then we'll say we need to sort score in descending order. So we'll say sort or score dot sort, and then we'll say reverse is equal to true. And then from here, we can go ahead and iterate through our score array. So we'll say, actually, we're going to initialize a count value, and it's going to be equal to 0. You'll see why we're doing that here in a second. Now we can iterate through our score array. So for I in score, or in the range of score. And then each time we go through, we're going to update our counter value by 1, and we'll say if count is greater than 3, then we're simply going to say ants I, or sorry, what is it? It's going to be the current index. So ants dot index of score I. So the index in ants of the current index we're on in score. We're going to want to replace that with our current count value. So we'll say string count, because we want it to be a string. And then if it's not, if count is less than 3, we'll say if count is equal to 1, we can simply say ants, we'll just actually copy this guy. So I have to type it all out again. It's going to be equal to gold medal. And then we'll kind of just repeat this process for second and third place. So silver medal. And I'll update the values here in a second. And then this is going to be bronze medal. So we'll say 3 and 2. So after this, we should have a fully updated answer value. So we'll say return ants. So let's go ahead and run that, make sure it works for these guys. I got to fix this. Reverse has an E in it. There we go. All right, awesome. So let's go ahead and run it, make sure it works for all of them. And it does. Not a great runtime, but it looks kind of clean. And I'm actually not sure how else I'll do it. So in the comments, let me know, guys, how you guys would have done it. If you learned anything at all, go ahead and leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It really does help the channel out a ton, and I appreciate it a lot. So with that, have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.